7 superfruits rich in vitamin B12. Blueberries. Blueberries are a good source of vitamin B12. It helps treat diabetes and cancer, enhances digestion, reduces stress, and encourages weight loss. Kiwi. Kiwi is another great vitamin B12 fruit source, with one medium-sized kiwi containing 0.1 mcg of vitamin B12. Raspberries. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants and are also an excellent source of vitamin B12. Guava. A tropical fruit, guava is high in vitamin C and vitamin B12 too. One medium guava contains 0.2 mcg of vitamin B12. Apricots. A cup of apricots contains 0.2 milligrams of vitamin B12, making them an excellent healthful snack. Mulberries. Mulberries are a rare fruit that is high in vitamin B12, with one cup providing 0.6 mcg of the nutrient. Cherries. One cup of sweet cherries has 0.5 milligrams of vitamin B12, making them an excellent summertime fruit choice.